Well, do a little redneck repair on this hose that's on the gas pump. It's actually a diesel pump. This is a tank that's got an electric motor on it. It's diesel fuel, not gasoline. But this is starting to get some kind of hairline cracks in here. There's a slight leak. What I'm going to do is clean it off with some starting fluid so it's chemically clean. Wipe it off with a paper towel. Get some Gorilla Tape around there a bunch of times. And get these real heavy duty zip ties on there. Tighten them down tight. That should freaking hold it because it's not under a lot of pressure or nothing. It's not really a full-size leak. It's right there on the end. Get this thing real cleaned up. Put the tape around it. You can see there's just a little bit of splits right here, so we're going to tape that up. But with Gorilla Tape and heavy-duty zip ties, it's going to be pretty freaking sealed up. Well, I got the Gorilla Tape on there really tight, and I'm going to pull these with some vice grips to make sure they're down there as tight as possible before I snip them down here in the end. But that should hold it pretty good as long as you got it really chemically clean. And it's right up, and I double these up, so I don't think that damn thing's going nowhere. You know, that's the way to do it. It's not a big split, kind of a hairline crack. Didn't really matter that much because usually it just kind of dripped down here where you're pouring it into the can. But that's why you keep stuff like this around. But you know, the trick to getting that Gorilla Tape to stick good is make sure it's chemically clean. That's why I always keep starting fluid around, because this ether and with some paper towels, that gets stuff pretty clean. As a matter of fact, I painted stuff with what do you call it? You know, regular with chemically cleaning the surface with this stuff, scuffing it up with Scotch-Brite. That paint stuck on there for freaking 15-20 years, still good. It's actually some pretty good paint prep, that stuff, actually, because it's got upper cylinder lubricant, but there's so little of it in there, it doesn't even give the paint fish eyes. And these kind of freaking zip ties, man, I'll tell you what, cable ties, if you want to call them, I call them zip ties, cable ties. These puppies are strong. They hold up, man. Now, as long as it's out of the sunlight, that's one thing with plastic, usually freaking screws it up. It'll last a long time. There's no sense changing all that stuff out for occasional use, where I maybe use it maybe 10 times a year to fill up a diesel can. No big deal, right?